Coaches, episode 1 was a major hit. A lot of you guys have DM'd me and asked me to do more. Can we get a left tackle? Can we win a game? Can we bring the Broncos back and make it to the playoffs? Episode 2, right now. All right, guys, here we go. First quarter, down 7-0. You know, we don't really have a great defense. We're going to start off in the pistol, see if we can establish the run. I know, don't tell anybody I'll lose my Air Raid card if I do that. So we got man up right here. We're going to read the outside backer. Yeah. I swear this scares me to death about real life because I think they're going to call it in real life too. So, you know, we got called first, back down to 1st and 15. Let's come back. We'll throw wide stick out of trips. And Antonio Brown, there we go. Let's go. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Tempo, tempo. There we go. RPO read bubble. Got the numbers. There we go, there we go. First down. Yeah, let's go with a screen. There we go. There we go, inside zone. Doing good right here. Let's keep it alive. Let's go mesh. Got a wheel route right there. Let's peek that wide. Let's see what that safety does. It's not there. There we go. Moving it down the field a little bit. First team offense isn't bad. I mean, you can tell the difference when Andrew Luck's in there versus when, you know, Flacco or in the first group. You know, picking up Antonio Brown really helps us a little bit. So we've come out in our little pistol look, established the run a little bit, mixed it up. All right, let's go gun. Let's go blue 2 back. Let's put some 20 personnel out there, and let's just go straight off tackle. Switch sides. I like the run better over here. There we go. There you go. Staying in front of the chains is always a good thing. We're gonna read bubble off of this fast motion right here. There we go, yes. There we go, first group, way to do it. Much better show in the second round. And, you know, like I said, guys, in the first video, if there's some offensive plays or formations that you want us to add, you know, down in the comments below, let me know what formations you want to add and we'll add them to our playbook. You can see we've kind of taken the Arizona Cardinal playbook and just kind of flattened it out and taken all the extra puff out of it. And, so here we go. San Francisco is going to score again. Now we're back on offense. Let's come out in our 10 personnel. We'll RPO it on the first down. I like the box. And we'll decline that. There we go. They got a 5-man box here, you know, man on man, just cover people up. You know, that's the great thing about the zone. You really don't have to make it complicated. We're going to come back with the same play. 6-man box here. Check the RPO. I got caught staring at the linebacker too much. That was more on me. Let's pick up the tempo a little bit. We'll go corner. I like the grass back there. We'll take it. We'll take it. Let's go mesh 3rd and 7. Take that quick out. There we go. 1st down, baby. Keep it moving. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tempo. There we go. Let's go outside zone here. Oh, come on. Back behind the chains. Let's go curl flat. Oh, way to run into the check where it sticks. There we go. All right, come back gun. There we go. We're not doing too bad here. We're in the game. The scoring here is really important. Let's go a little 3-by-1. We're gonna put it into the boundary. See how that affects him, and that way we can throw Y cross to the middle of the field. We're gonna read it across. We're gonna go peek, cross, curl. There you go. Oh, fight it, fight it. There we go. Can't let him come off the backside like that. All right, let's go screen here and see what happens. All right. Let's go shallow H. There we go. Yes, sir. Here we go. Just being patient, move around in the pocket, look for that grass, come open, drop it right in there. All right, it's gonna be 14-14 going into halftime. Good job. First team is not bad. So let's see what happens here. We got 25 seconds on the 32. We got 3 timeouts. Let's take a shot. Yes, we did take a shot, and we're gonna do it again. Got a 1st-round draft pick at tight end. You know, you got to do something. All right, let's come back with mesh, see if we can get one of the outs. They're playing press. Let's check out. We're gonna go 4 verts. Let's see. A wide shallow. Oh, we were coming with that post. It was coming wide open right there. Just didn't get rid of it fast enough. You know, one thing about having luck, he's not going to run away from folks, so we just kind of have to be careful. We didn't really manage the clock the way we should have. There we go. Way to set him down. All right, so 14-14 at halftime. We're in pretty good shape right here. Let's see what happens. All right, offense. First drive of the second half. Let's come out. Let's be conservative a little bit. Let's go RPO with the zone. 5-man box. We're in good shape. Oh, that's me. That's me. That's me still getting used to the game, guys. That should have been a nice give, nice Oh, come on, block that guy. Let's see what we got right here. Middle of the field looks good. Oh! Difference between Flacco and Andrew Luck. That's a big completion if that's Luck. Be strong, be strong, be strong. All right, defense held him again. Let's get back into our strong right here. Let's go blast, alert, X smoke. 7-man box. I don't know if I like that formation with the tight end. I think we need to get back out to the 3 wides, and we can take Font and turn him into an H-back. I think that's a pick. That's a pick. I knew it. And I just, for some reason, you know, their linebackers do what I coach mine to do. They vertical drop. They don't drop for width. You think they're gonna get wide, and they just kind of stop right there in the middle, and you're just like, what in the world's gonna happen here? You know, just I got to do a better job of taking care of the football. It's 21-14 in third quarter. You know, we put ourselves in a little bit of a bind here, and we got to do a better job of that. So what kind of box we get? 5-man box, inside zone call. Looks good. Fourth quarter, 21-14. You know, we didn't make any changes from the team from the last episode. Just, you know, reordered the roster a little bit. Looked around, tried to offer a couple of trades on a left tackle. That didn't work out so well. There we go. First down. A little ball to the tailback on mesh. Didn't push it too hard. Here we go. 5-man box, inside zone call. Oh, this should be hat on hat here. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Get it up in there. Let's go H shallow, 2nd and 7. Got the back. There we go, 7-yard gain. I'm gonna go 6-1-7 to the wide side of the field here. Hot route, our inside guy to our slant, so we have our BSQ like we would in real life. And it's the same thing over and over and over. I think that guy's gonna carry and he just sits, and then I do a good job of throwing an interception. I gotta get better at that in gameplay. Scheme-wise, it's there. It's just they don't react the way that I think they're going to react. And, you know, I've set ourselves up here. You know, now we're down by 2 touchdowns inside of 10. And that's just, you know, my poor decision making, putting us in a situation. Just not real smart on my part here. This is about as close to mesh as you're going to get out of this formation. There we go. Come back with double slants. So we got that fade out over there with Y. Let's see what happens. There we go. There we go. 4 verts. Got a little lag in the game there. Was trying to get it to the back. All right, let's go. That big pick in the third quarter and the last possession is really costing us. We're moving the football. You know, just some dumb stuff on my part. Let's go wide corner down here. Oh, that took too long. Much better showing by our offense. Still, you know, a couple of mistakes by me, some user error right there. But I tell you, second preseason game, we're getting a little bit better. We're kind of learning our personnel a little bit. I think we're going to remove that tight end pistol formation and just keep the trips and the offset one. Maybe look at some shotgun stuff and add maybe another formation on that. So in the comments down below, man, let me know what kind of formations you want to add, and you know, and we'll see what we can do to improve ourselves and improve our team. You know, I don't know that we'll be able to find a left tackle. You know, I'll dangle a couple of draft picks out there or something to see if we can get a guy that's going to help us out as we get into the season. But hey, man, I appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying these kind of videos, and if you are, man, please, hey, hit a like on the videos. Make sure you share it, subscribe to the channel, hit your button, and so you know, hit that bell button so that you know when we go live. And as always, spin it to win.